the Coconut Man. It was gonna be Star Wars Battlefront Ultimate Edition, where plus Rogue One Edition, where you have Rogue One maps, so you don't need to unlock anything. But and whenever they have a new gun out, they just tell you to install, and it installs sometimes slow but fast. And I'm gonna be playing it with. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be playing it with. I'm gonna be making song noises with this, so yeah, so let's go. Get the remote. Turn on the volume. And let's go. I won't hear the car sound like all the time, but yeah. It's a lot of work. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go down and I'm dead. You know when you get a fighter where I can use boost. Okay, so. Okay, final finale. 1, 2,